Hi, I'm Neil with Covers and Camo Custom Seat Covers. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel. We do lots of videos showing the custom seat covers, how to use them, how to clean them, install them, everything like that. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. You won't regret it. You're going to see some great looking sets of seat covers, and then also see different ways to get more functionality out of your truck. Thanks so much. Again, see more at coversandcamo.com. Thanks. Okay, again, these are the seat covers on the 2016 Toyota Tundra. Let's check these out inside here. So, again, we have the Kryptek Raid pattern on these seat covers. So this is a 600 denier material, water resistant, super durable, just a great looking cover as well, with these gray tones inside this truck, and trims out really nice there, tucks inside that plastic piece right there. Again, horizontal sewing, as you can see on the backrest and bottom, to make it look a lot more custom fit, foam backed as well, so there's going to be foam backing that gives it just a great body and really sits into the seat so much better when it's foam backed like this. Just looks great. And then also you can see on these contours up here, again, contours around those edges up there. You can see around the headrest, you know, it's flush around there. You know, it just looks really good on that. Here's the 20 section. So this particular Tundra is a 40-20-40, where there's a 20 section that's a middle seat that folds up. And so that folds up right there. So you can see that there's the seat back and then seat bottom. And that's a bottom storage on this one. So that actually will come up right there. So as you can see, that's a separate cover right there. There's Velcro that just pulls around and attaches on right there. So that goes back down. Pull that tab down right there. And how this attaches on is with Velcro, and then there's also going to be Velcro sticky tabs on the inside of this. So you can see that there's a sticky tab that goes down on the hard plastic. Clean that off with an alcohol swab first, and then get that Velcro sticky tab warmed up a little bit, and then stick that down, and then you can pull those over and finishes out really nice. And that way you can still use that full 20 section, all the storage compartments inside there, like that. And you use your cup holders and everything. Trims out really nice. There's the passenger seat over there, matching as well. We're going to move around to the back seats now. Check those out. Pull that forward so we can see there. Okay, so let's move around to the back seats now. So we'll open up this here and check out these back seats. So this is a 60-40 rear back seat with a armrest coming down, and then there's 3 headrests as well. So all 3 headrests covered. There's a separate armrest cover there. And this first section here, this is the 60 section, so that's the larger section of the two, where there's a split inside this seat. There's a split right down there. Okay, but then this 60 section here will actually fold up. There's this pull tab right here. You just pull that, and it folds up like that, locks in right there. There's the cutout around the pull tab right there. And here's the bottom storage, or bottom coverage over here. So you can see full coverage underneath that seat. So if you have the seat up, you have the dog back here, or it's getting dirty back here, no problem, because you get all that covered right there. That's really nice, having that covered. This Velcro tabs down here come underneath around the back side and stick down, and then also Velcro on this one here as well. So we'll bring that back down. Okay, and you can see how nice and tight those headrests fit down. Look really good there. All 3 headrests. That's center headrest is a little bit smaller, so separate small cover for that one. Here's the armrest. So you can see there's a cutout there for the cup holders, and that trimmed out really nice there. And then full coverage on the inside of there, you know, on that inner armrest section. And there you get full coverage inside there. So looked really good there. Let's look at some of the pockets as well on these. So this is these are the rear Moly pockets. So as you can see, that is a pocket that actually will open up. So if you open that up there, it's a storage on the inside of that. It's sewn to the seat cover, so it stays on nice and secure, but then you can hook on different attachments with that Moly webbing right there. So you can have a pistol holster or ammo carriers there on the back. And then we have one on the other side as well. So those are the rear Moly pockets. Okay, now we're going to look at the Special Ops package. So that's this setup that we have back here. So it's 8 total pockets, 4 large ones right here. Here's a large pocket right here, it opens up, and then storage on the inside right there, but then it opens on both ends, so then you could have a rifle going across the 2 pockets like that. I have this seat folded forward right now, but if you had those at the same kind of recline, then you can slide a rifle in between those 2 there. These little pockets down here are really nice too, just for some extra storage. Straps, and I got some gloves inside here right now. And I really like having these as quick access pockets right there. You get full coverage down below, as well as you can see on the back of that seat cover. So everything's covered. There's the back side of that 20 section. So that comes up right there, and then there's these two pieces come and Velcro together right there. And then I really like hanging on my safety glasses on the back side of that Moly right there, just for quick access. Those are really nice right there. So just a nice looking set on this Tundra. And again, thanks so much for watching. And this is the 2016 Toyota Tundra Kryptek Raid.